Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by backing up the console and confirming firmware so you can revert if needed. Next, locate the source channel strip and the target channel number on the surface. This ensures accurate routing. Once done, press Routing, go to Inputs, and set the physical XLR or TRS input to the source channel if it isn't already assigned. Make sure preamp and phantom settings match the microphone or line source. This prevents level or polarity surprises later. Now you map the signal, open routing channels, and route the same input to both the source and the intended linked channel so both strips receive the audio. Then enable the strip link function or copy the channel configuration to the second strip. This preserves EQ, dynamics, and sends. While you do this, monitor meter levels and check preamp gain to avoid clipping. Also verify pan and mute groups so behavior matches across both channels once linked. Finish by auditioning the linked channels with the live source and listen to front-of-house and monitor mixes to confirm consistent behavior. Once satisfied, save the scene so your routing and channel settings persist after reboot. This prevents accidental loss. If something goes wrong, silence, phase issues, or different levels, inspect the input patch, preamp gain, mute and solo states, and phase polarity. Correcting any of those usually resolves problems quickly, and then resave the.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.